Hello guys, I'm Sri Karthik from Gossipfunda. In this video, I will help you to fix download failed retry error on Free Fire. This error arises due to three main reasons. Follow this video fully and fix your error. First reason, check whether your mobile data or Wi-Fi is connected with your mobile, because Free Fire is an online game. Second reason, check whether your internet or Wi-Fi is at record speed of about 1 to 2 megabyte per second. So guys, here's a two sample video that you can able to check your internet speed. The first one is check your internet speed in other mobile phones. Check your internet speed in Redmi mobile phones. So guys, here you can see the security app. Just tap on it. Just scroll down. Here you can see test network in the right hand side corner. Just tap on it. Just tap on test network. Wait for your result. Here you can see internet connection is normal. Just go to the Google search bar and search for check my internet speed. Click run speed test if you are accepting the above passage. Now just wait on. Here you can see your internet connection is very fast. Third reason, check whether you have allowed Free Fire to access your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Here's a sample video to fix it. Here you can see this problem. If I click OK, this problem remains same. So you have to fix this. Just go to the settings and search for apps. Go to application manager and search for Free Fire. Here it is. Click data usage. You can see mobile data and Wi-Fi is turned off. Please turn on. Now the issue is fixed. Now go to the Free Fire and click OK. Now it's loading. Hence fixed. So that's it from me. Before you leave, please hit that like and subscribe button and comment if you have any queries. If you have more doubts, please check our websites. The link are given below in the description.